Greetings, today I'm checking out the GT Shine Quick Ceramic Spray and Quick Buffing Tiles. So both of these products look really cool. The Quick Ceramic Spray has a really great list of features. So it says quick and easy to apply ceramic coating, seals and protects your paintwork from scratches, bird droppings, bug splatter, water spots and more. And then the Quick Buffing Tiles, your go-to tiles for buffing off detailing sprays, wax, polish and more. And yeah, they look really awesome quality, both items. The buffing tiles are really huge. They are 16 inches by 16 inches as you can see there, 320 GSM. You get them in a 4-pack, this nice ultraviolet color with the GT Shine logo sort of woven in there, which is really nice. And you can take it from me, they feel really nice and soft. They're lint free and yeah, really nice quality. But before I get to playing with these, I do need to clean the car. I admittedly have not cleaned it since the Nürburgring and it is pretty dirty. Lots of bugs there. We just haven't had the weather to really get out and do much in the way of cleaning, but yeah, nice and caked on dust there. So yeah, I'll just go through the normal maintenance wash process. So we have snow foam and then our normal 2-bucket process. I will just fly through the cleaning process because it is not really the focus of this video, and then once the car is nice and clean, I will come back and I will get to play with the GT Shine products. Alright, so that's the clean done, but you can probably see that the car is still wet, and the reason why I haven't gone on to the drying stage that I would normally go on to is because the GT Shine Quick Ceramic Spray can be used on a wet car as an even easier way to apply it, almost a bit like a drying aid with ceramic coating protection being added at the same time. So I'm going to do a couple of panels with it just to show you that. So the first thing that we have to do is we need to give it a good shake up, then take the lid off and put in the little spray top. So it couldn't really be simpler. We literally, whenever it's wet, we just spray it on, a few sprays per panel, and then just dry as we would normally do. So yeah, I'm gonna go for like the glass and the bonnet here, but before I spray on, I'll just hit the glass here with some water, and you can see that it is just like a big sheet of water. There are no hydrophobics whatsoever on there, so there's no protection. So we'll do the same thing after application. So shaking it up, flicking it open, and here we go. If we do it in that sort of motion, and we get good coverage. That's pretty much it. You know, it's like very quick, very easy, and we don't need to like overdo the amount that we put on. So simple as that. Now I can go and grab, well, I could grab my drying towel, but what I'll do is I will grab one of the GT Shine Quick Buffing Tiles. These are such big microfibers that, you know, they are essentially like little drying tiles, which is awesome, very versatile. So we will literally just dry off. I don't know how well it's coming across on camera, but that is like drying so easily. Like it is picking up that water like unbelievably well. It's just so nicely absorbent, which is exactly what you want. Obviously you don't want to be having to buff and buff and buff and buff. I suppose that's why they call it quick buffing tiles, right? So I'm still going the same one. I haven't had to wring it out, and it's drying beautifully. Alright, there you go. That really was very, very quick, very, very easy. Just with that very quick, simple application on the wet panels, it looks fantastic. Really nice, glossy finish. So let's hit that with some water now and see. I know obviously it won't be fully cured. It does take 24 hours to get a full cure, but we should, I think, be able to see the immediate effects of the quick ceramic spray from GT Shine. Right, so exactly the same as I did before. That's absolutely awesome. You can see that the water is just flying off of there. Super duper hydrophobic. I'll do it again. Absolutely fantastic. And that's without even letting it cure for the 24 hours. Like, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So, I mean, I can do the same on the bonnet here if you want. Just amazing, immediate hydrophobic properties, so you can see that protection really, really working from the quick ceramic spray. So yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a big drying towel and dry off the remainder of the car, and then I will apply the product around the rest of the car and show you how to do it dry. Alright, we are nice and clean, and now we are also nice and dry. So I am going to do the main application of the GT Shine Quick Ceramic Spray that is going to go onto the dry paintwork. So all I have to do is spray it on each panel, one panel at a time we will do. Then we will use one of our GT Shine Quick Buffing tiles to spread the product, and then another one to buff off, and it is as simple as that. So let's get going. we are then, that is the product test of the Quick Ceramic Spray and the Quick Buffing Tiles from GT Shine, and I have to say the results really speak for themselves. They do exactly what they say on the packaging. We saw the immediate effects of the Quick Ceramic Spray without even letting it cure at all, and just immediately giving us that protection, those hydrophobic properties. And yeah, once you let it cure, it'll be even better, so that's awesome. The depth of shine on the paintwork looks absolutely fantastic, and I can't believe how quick and easy it really was to use. Really easy on, just spreads like butter, and really easy off as well. It's so quick and easy, and you get this awesome ceramic coating. It really makes ceramic coating like super accessible to everyone. If you're the kind of person who has heard about ceramic coating and was afraid to, you know, get into the complexities, this is the perfect product for you. It's so quick, so easy, and the results are great. So yeah, that's absolutely awesome. Thank you to GT Shine for sending that stuff out to me. If you want to check out GT Shine, you want to check out these products and their entire range, I'll have a link down below, so click that, go check them out. I highly recommend them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.